What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I look through projects all the time. What I typically look for within a project is something that is kind of early stages that has the potential to take off, that can go to, massive levels, but we haven't gone there yet, right? It shows the consistency, it shows life, it shows strength, as well as the cells that are going into the green candles, the red candles. It shows the level where it can just stay flat or it can consistently grow. And it shows the positives as well as the negatives, and then positives again. So anyways, I want to talk to you guys about a project that came across my desk maybe like a few weeks ago. It's definitely something that I've been researching a little bit more to see that. So we're going to talk about LOFI, the Yeti, in this video. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'll give you all of the links for LOFI if you guys are interested in researching it yourself, which I highly recommend. Research any project, no matter what it is, yourself before you decide to invest any of your money into it, because it's your decision whether you want to invest money. So make sure you do the research on what you're investing into. Does that make sense? So when it comes to meme coins, again, I'm always looking for something that shows me a ton of potential, but is still early stages. And I feel like that's what you do get with LOFI. But let's just go through a little bit of what LOFI is. So LOFI is a meme coin. It's your favorite Yeti on SUI. LOFI, born again in the 21st century, LOFI embodies optimism, courage, and vision for a better tomorrow. LOFI is not just an avatar for a new dawn in finance, but a movement. LOFI represents a collective mission to build a thriving, forward-thinking ecosystem on the SUI blockchain. So, like, you can see a little bit of what it is, and if you do want to go through their story, you can go through the story here, the story of LOFI awakening through encased ice and because of global tensions. And Earth's warming, that LOFI was freed. And if you want to learn about his story, you can learn about that. You can also go to their Twitter account and you can see, obviously they have 23.1 thousand followers at the moment, and they have, they have the story, they have memes that are happening over here as well. So feel free to go ahead and check that out. How to buy it? It's actually a little bit easier, but you can still do it this way, right? Create an SUI wallet, get some SUI, go to Cetus, and then switch SUI for LOFI. So why LOFI? LOFI isn't just a brand, it's a movement. Optimistic by nature, LOFI sees the brighter side of the future and is determined to build it right. Bold yet brave, unafraid to challenge norms. LOFI stands for progress, collaboration, and action. Impact driven, LOFI recognizes the power of decentralized finance. Can make a tangible difference in the world, which is very, very true. Now, getting into the good stuff, which is what you want to see, which is the actual chart, and then my opinion on that as well. If you go over to Deck Screener, you'll get a good picture of where this is, where this was, and where it stands right now, right? So currently, the price is at 11 cents. It's at 11 cents, almost 12 cents. We're looking at a $117 million market cap. In the last 24 hours, it is slightly down. If you look at the volume, you're looking at 1.6 million. A better picture of this would be to go on CoinMarketCap. I always like CoinMarketCap. I don't like the light version, so that's something that I guess needs to be changed. But either way, LOFI is still standing at a value of $11 or 11 cents and a $116 million market cap with it says $7 or $8 million worth of volume, which actually is down about 40%. So just recently we saw a little bit more volume, showing the level of impact that it does have, right? To have millions of dollars going through a meme coin project means that it has some sort of stability. And obviously, what I also look for is not just the volume and the market cap, I look for where that volume is coming from. That's a bigger deal. So when I go into the markets here, it's going to show me all the places that is available, right? You have CETIS, you have MEXC, you have Gate.io, BingX, LBank. You have 12 different platforms or 12 different pairings that you can see volume from, right? $5 million is coming from LBank. You have $1.8 million coming from CETIS. You have Gate.io, that's about $600,000. So you can see a level of volume and a level of popularity as you have more exchanges. And for me, once you start to have more and more exchanges, you start to kind of take the questions that you have out of your mind, which is like, this is a meme coin. Is it really going to be worth so much more? Is it really going to have that impact? Is it going to have that volume? Is it going to survive in this tough meme coin world? And yes, while it is sitting at a $116 million market cap, it shows that it has the growth potential. It shows that it has the volume. That's something that means the world to me when I'm looking into a new position, as well as the bigger picture, right? In the last 7 days, it's up by about 1%. In the last month, it's up by 71%. In the last year, it's up by 1,111%. So it shows the growth and it shows the stability. It shows the level where it can increase to, decrease to, right? And then increase to again, breaking some of the lower high, lower low trends. Seeing the negativity that has happened recently, the positivity that's happened, and seeing that recovery from that negativity that we've seen in the entire market, right? This means a heck of a lot. And if we look at the market cap, it was up to a $170 million market cap, currently at a $116 million market cap. 1 billion coins in total volume as well. So again, a lot of things lead to this could be something very, very interesting and worth a lot more. Is it the top meme coin that's out there? No, it's not the top meme coin by market cap, by volume, or anything like that. But the potential for what it could be, that's what means the world for me. So just to give you my opinion on LOFI and where this may be going, and is it still early stages to get in? I think yes. Is it the earliest stages where you gain 1,000% in a matter of a month? You never know, right? It could always go to $1 billion market cap, which would be that, right? A 100 or 1,000% gain from that $100 million mark to $1 billion. So can it still do that? Yes. Can we see a lot of success? Will it maybe take a little bit of time as we're seeing altcoin season flourish? This would be the time to invest into lower market cap projects that do have that potential, that do have the ability to go to 500 million, a billion, 2, 3, 4, 5 billion or something. So it's definitely catching my eye, catching my attention. Let me know what you think about it. Have you seen this? Because again, I've been looking at this for a matter of like 2 weeks or so at this point, and just trying to see where this is going, and what this could be worth and how much of an impact it could have. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.